Kajing Bampat Pun Orlong, Sorkar July, Kimatching Dawa, Kasi Chaintia Deficit School Teachers Association, KJDSTA, Hakabay Day Ban Punkiw no Gadrenas Allowance, Nag Southfly person, Shaksan Pui person, Nakamtaki Nonghikai Deficit Kajala, Wahadian Bakiladep Ban Punsingaw La Bun Bun Sien, Kumta Nagalianga Association, Hakasan Drake Nopra Archopson, Kala Punlong the Kachingalang Pajba Ahmadan Malki. Hagani kasngi na lor Nonghilam ka association lalaban saki jiwani Mynta dagi babuan ngot Nonghikai deficit kibalawan na kaleng-kaleng gajala.
Support us. Raise your voices with ours, because when teachers fight, they fight for the future. I repeat, because when teachers fight, they fight for the future. My point number 7, our unity, our greatest weapon. Fellow teachers, our strength is not just in numbers. Our strength is in unity. When teachers stand together, no authority can silence us. When teachers stand together, no policy can crush us. When teachers stand together, no system can break us. Let every zone, let every unit, let every school stand as one. Because when teachers march in unity, the whole state listens. When teachers march in unity, the whole state listens.
KJDSTA, long live!
Long live, long live!
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 Education.
Long live quality education!
Long live the spirit of unity.
Long live the spirit of unity!
Habai jingkran nak jingilang ba Boswell Pala President ulang bak association kladap ban Pak Shiti jo Menteri rang ba Jalau konrat kesang ma ban ye kendu ye u Henry hadu menta ki klem yo cuba pi e na u ulang bak Sorkar Mynshwa ka Kyrshan ni Nonghikai Henry Mynta pat ka Lehbeiñ bat tu no ik hok Nonghikai deficit Nolong kata ulang bak association kan aipor ik Sorkar ber kan pendep ik jingdawa haswa khasan terek kola lengkot ajar penriu ba da kam sngap ik jingdawa jungki kin sapen orlong kin sapelong da kecing ki pajba.
With regard to CPF, among the many things that I would want to say to the government, it is just this right now. Who will do the accounting of the CPF amount that is there in the centralized account? Who will do the accounting? Somebody has to do the accounting. Don't you know, I mean the government, don't they know that keeping money unaccounted is criminal? It is criminal to just keep the money lying down somewhere without doing anything. And the list goes on. The list of the evils that this government is doing, the list of cases of harassment that this government is doing goes on. We have the DCRG, so sad. Just the other week, we met fellow teachers who said that teachers who retired from their schools have not received their DCRG even after 6 years. That is too sad. Teachers who have died have not got their DCRG. They use a beautiful word, attractive word, standardization. But then if standardization has to come from the government, I don't trust it. I don't trust the government with many things. I don't trust the way it runs schools. I think the government itself in the past saw that defect from the side of the government. That is why the past governments supported the deficit teachers, supported the deficit system. Only now, only last year and this year, there is this blatant case, bizarre case of harassment of deficit teachers, the snatching away of the rights of deficit teachers. This evil symbiosis between the government, the chief minister, the minister, and the officials. We have to be very much aware of this. In fact, this non-enhancement of the DA is because of this evil symbiosis between these two groups. The government, the elected representatives who have been elevated to the rank of chief minister, ministers, and the officials, in particular the IAS officials. When they seek to lower us, the deficit teachers, I may ask them, dear IAS officers, how would you feel if you are lowered down to MCS? This is an analogy, quite an appropriate analogy. And I appeal to the many good officers, MCS, IAS, to please help stand against this. I appeal to other members of society to please be aware of this manipulation that goes on inside the People's Secretariat. Please be aware of this and let us rise against this manipulation, this evil manipulation. My dear teachers, my dear members of KJDSTA should not be brainwashed in any way, in any case, by anyone that this is not a right, that this is too much for us, that this can be done only because of charity. No, it is a right. The DA had been given to us, has been given to us, and will be given to us because of some experts having done study that this is the way to sustain teachers. This is the way to sustain education. This is the way to sustain society. I just want to ask the government now, how does it feel to withhold our rights? How does it feel when you get to go to different places to give money, to distribute money? How does it feel to not give us our rights? Give us RDA. You go all over Meghalaya to give money. Give us RDA. You go all over the northeast to give money. Give us RDA. And let me say one thing to the government.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya